In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to delete multiple photos from your Lightroom library. So as you can see, we have over 1,000 photos. Let's go ahead and click on the first one, and I am in the All Photos tab. So you can go ahead and click All Photos. You can also click, on Recently Added. If you just want to select an amount of photos that you added, you can see here they're different. Or you can go ahead and click All Photos if you want to clear them all. So I'm going to navigate up to the very top, click and select the first image, hold Shift on my computer and go all the way to the bottom. Click that. Now as you can see, we have 1,056 photos of 1,056 photos selected. Now I'm going to right click and then go ahead and click delete. You can also press backspace. Now you're going to get a notification just to make sure that you want to delete these photos. Know that they are going to be deleted from your Lightroom photos and any shared albums or shares that you have, shared photos through Lightroom with anybody. They're not going to be deleted from your SD card, hard drive, or computer if you still have them stored there, and they actually can be restored. All right, they will be permanently deleted after that though. So go ahead and click delete if you are happy. And this is actually going to take some time. So that was actually very fast, probably because I got a new super speedy computer. But you can see now we've cleared up, the photos, and we can go ahead and add new ones and continue editing in Lightroom. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Check out the channel. We record all kinds of quick, simple tutorials to help you avoid the long tutorial videos and get right to the point in all kinds of online softwares.